Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison between Supabase and PostgreSQL. In order to do so, here we are at postgresql.org, and we're also at supabase.com. According to Cider AI, Supabase and PostgreSQL serve different yet complementary purposes, and understanding their differences can help you choose the right tool for your needs. Here's a breakdown of the two. PostgreSQL is a relational database management system, and it's an open source SQL database known for its robustness, high performance, and support for advanced data types and custom functions. Features include ACID compliant, ensures transactions are processed reliably, support for complex queries and transactions, full text search capabilities, extensible, you can add custom functions and data types, support for various programming languages through extensions. Supabase, on the other hand, has a backend as a service, as a service built on top of PostgreSQL. It provides an open source platform with a focus on simplicity and speed. It combines PostgreSQL with additional tools for real-time data, authentication, storage, and APIs. Features include real-time subscriptions. You can automatically update your app when database changes occurs, integrated authentication, simplified user management, storage solution, file storage and management, generate RESTful and GraphQL APIs based on database schema, and it has a user-friendly interface for managing your database and application configurations. Key differences: PostgreSQL is a database engine, while Supabase is a full-stack platform with PostgreSQL as its core database. Ease of use: Supabase abstracts much of the complexity of managing PostgreSQL, making it easier for developers to set up and use. Supabase offers additional functionalities like authentication, real-time capabilities, and storage that are not natively part of PostgreSQL. Which one to use? Well, use PostgreSQL if you need a powerful, scalable, relational database and you have the expertise to manage it. It's well suited for complex applications requiring custom configurations and optimizations. Use Supabase if you're building a new application quickly, need an easy-to-use backend solution, and want to leverage real-time capabilities without extensive backend code. Both tools are powerful, but your choice should depend on your specific project needs, the level of customization required, and your development skills. If you have any more questions or need further insights, feel free to ask Cider AI. And if you want more information on Cider, go ahead and take a look at the link in the description to our link tree, and there you will find a link to Cider in order to get started, as well as EnzoBot. You'll also find information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars and a discount code for Sintra Skillcraft 60, which will get you 60% off. Click on those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.